Welcome to WebStarburst. How can we populate a year's range in select field using JavaScript? This is a perfect question for JavaScript assignment for beginners or computer science students. Output should be a range of years in select field. User would be able to select a year from drop-down list. Selected year will be a current year. This kind of select field is very common. Examples are birth year selection or education year selection. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, we have got this HTML document. Bootstrap CSS is attached for basic styling. Scripts file scripts.js is attached at the bottom of document. That is this file at the same path where index.html is present. This is index.html page, basic HTML with a heading, and this is the output. For HTML, we'll take select field with classes from Bootstrap. This is empty select field. In scripts, inside window load event, get the select field and store it in a variable. Year select document.querySelector select this select field. Then we can determine current year and store it in a variable. Current year new date dot get full year. Yes, it gives us current year. Here we selected select field. Here we got current year. To loop and add year values in dropdown, we can use for loop. Let I 1960. If I is smaller or equals to current year, keep going. We started iteration from 1960. Now here we can create the option for select field, and we stored its value in option variable. Document.createElement option. Option.inner HTML I. This value. This is to display iteration value in option, and then we'll add same value in value attribute of the option. Option.value I. Now we have to append newly created option to select field. Append child. This is the child that will be appended, and where? Here. Year select dot append child option in select field. Save, and here we have it. From 1960 to 2023. Inspect, and here are all the options. Option, value, and everything. Now years have been populated. To select current year from drop down on window load, do this. After the loop, select current year from the years list. Document.querySelector select dot value equals current year. Save, and here we have got it. On window load, we have got current year pre-selected. Now this is done, but there is a problem. Starting point in loop is 1960, and that is a fixed value, static value. To make it dynamic, we can get previous 100th year by deducting 100 from current year and then use it here. So outside of for loop, get a variable and then use current year minus 100 and then use it here instead of fixed value. And now it is starting from 1923 and it goes to 2023. This way we don't have to change this value ever. And select field will display last 100 years in drop down. And this is a select field with options and values containing years by using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.